Did you know that taking a cold shower can supercharge your energy? The sudden chill boosts blood circulation and releases adrenaline, giving you a natural, caffeine-free energy burst. Plus, it enhances mental clarity, perfect for kickstarting your day. Cold showers are also a skin and hair secret weapon. They tighten pores, reduce oiliness, and give your skin a glowing appearance. Your hair? Shinier and healthier, thanks to reduced damage from hot water. Struggling with stress or anxiety? Cold showers can help. They trigger the release of endorphins, the happy hormones, reducing stress levels and improving your mood instantly. Want to burn more fat? Cold showers activate brown fat, the kind that burns calories to keep you warm. It's like a mini workout for your metabolism. So, next time you're in the shower, turn down the heat and let the cold work its magic.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips